How to reset Windows 10. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can reset up the Windows 10. So if you're also looking forward on resetting up your Windows 10 and formatting, deleting each and everything from your Windows 10, these are the process you may follow up and you should be able to format or let's say reset your computer. So let's just get started. So for that, you can open up a desktop and hit Windows plus I, or you can directly go to the settings by going to the search bar and typing in settings. And once it opens up, you will be finding this interface on the screen. So what you can do is simply look up for settings, and once you're here, look for update and security, this one right here, and open it up. And once opened up, you'll be seeing this on the screen. So under here, look for recovery on the left side of the screen and open up this, and you will be finding this on the screen. So what we're going to do is look up for this very first option that says reset this PC. So if your PC is not running well, resetting it might help. So we're just going to go ahead and get started with this process just by clicking on it. And once you have clicked on it, you will be finding this on the screen. So you can go ahead and choose an option, keep my files or remove everything. I'm just going to go ahead and keep my files for now, but if you want to remove and format everything, you can select up the second option and it will start to get the things ready. Just wait for it to be completed and it will show you an option here. So you will be getting this option called how would you like to reinstall the Windows. So you can either select the cloud download or the local reinstall. If you already have cloud, you can go ahead and select that if you already have a backup. But if you don't, you can just go ahead and select any of the method available. And after that is done, you can go ahead and select on next. Just select one of the method and click on next. You can find this additional settings as well. Go ahead and click on next. And after that is done, that should probably do. You just follow up the method from that onwards and you should be able to reset and format up your PC. After that, it will automatically restart. So that is how you do it. That is how you format and reset your PC by following up this method for now on your Windows 10. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.